I wish for my castle was Asante him fear you know na ye dino. Nipa ahodo ana ewaha ye no mu edi. Ye din komo obi ho kra na ni day di kan a waba hemfie na sabre be yiro ye kopoto mo amen call ba no ho first and amen call ba no ho kan if da bia ye se ma na bibia mu aye mo enika you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Rather, your first time in Kumasi, am I right?
Yes, my first Asante Akwesi Day.
Your first time in Asante Akwesi Day.
Yeah.
Right. Being your first time, how did you see it?
Wow, it's really amazing seeing like the rich culture that I have and the heritage that I have. I don't think I understand the significance of everything that I've seen as far as there's like guns going off, different stuff happening. So it's making me intrigued to learn more. What does it symbolize? What does it mean? So it's very interesting. Yeah.
And gentlemen, you two, your first time, eh?
Yes, boss. This is my first time at Akwesi Day.
Tell me your name and how did you feel?
Yes, my name is Tremaine Brown, and I feel so liberating. It is beautiful to be able to come from the United States, come to Kumasi, and see such rich culture. It is beautiful. This is such a special event.
Did you want to come again? Did you want to celebrate Akwesi Day here again?
Oh, yes, boss. I definitely want to come again. There's so many things that I still didn't get a chance to see, and I would love to meet Asante Henny. I've practiced my bow and everything. So,
all right. So let's see. What are you telling your friends abroad? This is your first Akwesi Day here. You came to Asante Kingdom. You celebrated Akwesi Day with Asante Henny. What are you telling your friends abroad?
Yes, so I'm telling my friends, you have to visit Ghana. You have to come to Kumasi. You have to see Akwesi Day. It is such rich in culture. To see all the chiefs and all the kings out here and to celebrate each and every individual, to see the years of lineage. It is just a beautiful thing. So please come visit.
Right. Is it your first time wearing this?
Yes, it is, boss.
Okay, how do you feel? I mean, you should have even put on a coat or jacket or something like that, but rather you wear kente clothes. How do you feel?
Oh, I feel good sometimes, but I always have to adjust. Hey. So,
all right. If you are so, this is your first time your husband is wearing the kente clothes. How did you see him? How do you see him?
I don't know. For some reason, my respect level is just even going up for him. He's looking like a king, so I'm even bowing for him a little bit. So you see how our culture, it just makes you act right. Something about it.
Right. If your father is a chief.
Yes, please.
When you see a cultural display like this, what are you telling your friends abroad?
I'm reminding them that Africa, we have such a rich history, a royal heritage, and we have a lot to be proud of. That's what I'm definitely reminding them of.
Say hi to all your friends.
Wow. Hello, everybody from DC, Maryland, Virginia, Kansas City, all my American friends, my Ghanaian Americans. Kumasi is the spot to be.
Well, now let's see. Are you a Ghanaian or?
Yes. So I say, me today, Arbutre, but me a Ghanani. So my wife, her mom's from Mampo and her dad is from Bakwai. So that to me is special heritage. My kids is channeling through the Asante Kingdom. So yes, I am a Ghanani.
I was up for honey. I don't go to Kenya. If you are waiting, I can kick a cry.
Oh, Kacha, me beti Katri Brebre, and yet Kakra. Me kame tree na almost remember. Say me kana utiase.
Yeah. Kakina minti.
So tree na me ka. Inti.
Catch the papa na kwanda ho ene amwafofo nyina se ene woni sante hene abedi ade.
Hey. Waiting. What's today?
You say catch them quite phone you say and only Sante Hina baby the day e Kumasi.
Mini Asante Hene Yaba the dear welcome I say.
I was a for a honey I don't go.
Let me a catch you or sister me back. She said say yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. I was a for a honey I didn't go in nice. So what is a beman say or not so your Sante if you said nere and then ma in Asante for it was also a Santini.
Oh no, Mitikri. Kakra. Kitty. Hey.
I was a for someone who I don't take us Asante Casa will be a self and I didn't come back in nice. Meeting Eddie Coffee Kakari, Madam was it.